Time stretching is an essential skill for any producer, let alone any remixer. These chords, for example, don't line up with the drum loop. In Studio One, we can drag the edge while holding Alt to stretch their timing without altering their pitch. This Rhodes loop is out of time too, but it's also in the wrong key. With the chord track, we can detect the chords played by the last part and make the Rhodes follow that. And then we still have to retime the Rhodes just like before. Knowing how your software handles audio warping, time stretching, and pitch shifting is an essential skill to master, especially in remixing. This track is built from looping elements that build up over the bars. Every 4 bars, something is added.
I just wanna make this clear. Yeah, I just wanna make this clear.
There's a good chance that if we duplicate the track and invert the phase of the new one, the previous 4 bars will cancel out some information in the current 4 bars, leaving some isolated parts. So, duplicate the track, move the copy 4 bars later, and phase invert. That's isolated the percussion a bit.
I just wanna make this clear. Yeah, I just wanna make this clear.
That's a good snatch of the vocal.
I just wanna make this clear.
Nothing much useful here.
This clear. You alone are here, but you're my heart I share.
And that vocal part is really isolated, and the drums are nearly gone now.
You alone are here, but you're my heart I share. I just wanna make this.
With a plugin like Voxengo's MSED, we can mute the mid or side channels of our audio. Muting the side means that we only hear the mid signal, the stuff that's mono, the same in both speakers.
I ain't sure. I hear. I ain't sure.
Muting the mid means we only hear the side signal, the stuff that's different in both speakers.
I just want. Yeah, I just want.
Doing this in this track, we lose the vocal and the drums, which must have been mono.
You alone.
Any audio to MIDI capability your DAW has is a great way to create new parts. Let's try converting this vocal into a MIDI track as is.
You alone are here, but you're my heart I share.
It's good, but it's a bit too complex. Let's gate the part first.
You alone I have, but you're my heart I share.
Print this to audio.
You alone I have, but you're my heart I share.
And then convert that to MIDI.
You alone I have, but you're my heart I share.
Doing something like this gives you an instant part for layering or replacing another part. And we can add whatever instrument we want into the mix.
You alone I have, but you're my heart I share. You alone I have, but you're my heart I share. You alone I have, but you're my heart I share.
Starting with a beat, there are ways you can isolate specific hits. There's phase inversion and mid-side techniques, as we discussed before, and you can, of course, just chop isolated hits out from the audio file where you can find them. There's also filtering for grabbing things like kicks with a low pass or percussion with a high pass filter. And you can go in even deeper by automating the filter cutoff or setting up an envelope to really grab the low end of the kick as it changes. Getting the groove of the track you're remixing is pretty much essential. Ableton Live lets you impose a certain swing onto clips using the groove selector. But you can also extract your own groove from some source audio to use a custom groove matching the swing of the originals. This helps you find the feel of the original rhythm and helps you layer parts on top of each other.